Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start a new unit, that is unit 11, time. Time is very precious in our life, right? We should never waste our time. We should always utilize the time. Okay, because once the time goes or when the time passed, we will never get back the time once again. So today we are going to learn about the time. Okay, so what is the time, children? Time means what? What is the time? So for example, clap your hand, clap. How long it takes? How long it takes? It takes only a second, right? It just takes a second, right? Blink your eyes. Blink. How long it takes? It just takes second. A second. A second is a measure of time. A second is a measure of time. So the time is measured in other terms also. Okay. So a second is a measure of time. So time not only the second, it has other terms also. Time is measured in other terms also. That is minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years. Okay. So the other terms used to measure the time is minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, seconds. So what is seconds? Seconds is used to measure short period. Okay. Seconds used to measure short period means short periods. Period of time. So the example what is given here is the time it takes to heat a cup of tea in a microwave oven. So if you all use the microwave oven, you will know how to set that be given. So there you can find out to heat the cup of tea, how long it takes. It just takes a few seconds. So that is the example of this seconds. Okay. So 60 seconds makes how many? 60 seconds makes 1 minute. Okay. 60 seconds make how many minutes? 60 seconds make 1 minute. Okay. 60 seconds make 1 minute. Now we will see about the minute, children. Minutes is used if the time calculated is longer than 60 seconds. Okay. So minutes is used if the time is calculated longer than 60 seconds. So longer means it is longer than 60 seconds, not more, longer. For example, how long you brush your teeth? You brush your teeth for an hour, for a long time? No, for few minutes you will brush your teeth. That is for 2 minutes or 3 minutes you will brush your teeth, right? 2 to 5 minutes you will brush your teeth. So that is the time is called as what? It's called as minutes. That is the example for the time. That is the time. Okay. So minutes is used if the time calculated is called as what? Minutes. Okay. So 60 seconds equals how many minutes? 1 minute. 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 seconds make 1 minute. In 1 minute, how many seconds are there? 60 seconds are there. Same way, in 60 minutes, make 1 hour. Okay. So 60 seconds make 1 minute. The same way 60 minutes. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So how long your mother cooks? Maybe within an hour, it may take more than an hour also. Okay. So within an hour or more than an hour. So 60 minutes make 1 hour. Okay. 60 minutes make 1 hour. The next one is hours. Hours is used to measure longer period in a day. So hours is used to measure longer period in a day. So for example, if you're going for theater, how long you will watch movie? You will watch for 2.5 hours or 3 hours. So that is called as hours. The duration I'm telling you, that is the hours. Okay, hours. So hours is used to measure longer period in a day. So in a day, how many hours are there? In complete one full day, how many hours are there? 24 hours are there. How many hours are there? 24 hours are there. So there are 24 hours in a day. How many hours are there, children? So in a day there are 24 hours. So in a week, how many days are there? 7 days are there, right? So these things and all you have learned. So in a week, how many days are there? 7 days are there. So in a month, how many days are there? Depending on the month, that their days may change, the number may change, that is 30 or 31. So in a year, how many days are there? 365 days or 366 days, which is called as leap year, right? Okay, so these are the terms used to measure the or is that called as time. Okay, so terms we use to measure. Second is a measure of time. The terms used to measure the time is minutes, hours, days, weeks, months and years. Just here it is and, children, and years. Okay, and years. Second, used to measure short periods of time. Okay, that is 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 seconds makes 1 minute. Minute is used if the time calculated is longer than the 60 seconds. Okay, so 60 minutes make 1 hour. In 1 hour, how many minutes are there? So in 1 hour, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes are there. Okay, okay. So hours is used to measure longer period in a day. So hours is used to measure longer period in a day. That is 24 hours in a week. There are how many hours? How many hours are there in a day? In a day. How many hours are there, children? There are 24 hours in a day. So we measure hours, minutes and seconds. So how we measure, children? What we use to measure these things, these minutes, seconds and hours? What we use? We use clock. So clocks are used to measure hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, so we use clocks to measure hours, minutes and seconds. So now we have two clocks, right? We have both the clocks, that is digital clock and analog clocks. Digital clocks, digital clock shows the time in digits. See, in mobile phones we can see here the time. So this how in digital clock it will be there. So in mobile phones, and even you can see it in the laptop, you can see the time. It will be in digits. So first is hours dot minutes. Okay, hours and minutes. Suppose the time now is 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock 20 minutes. So it will be 1 in hours place, it will be 1, 2 dot and 20 minutes. Okay, so this how it will show in the digital watch. Okay, digital clock. Okay, in digital clock it will show the hours and minutes, and you can see in the railway station also the time which they display is in the digits only. Okay, yes or no? Yes, see, we can see in the mobile phone. Now the time is 10 o'clock 30 minutes. So it means what? 10 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, it means if it is 10:30, 10, that means it is 10 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, this is called as analog clock. Okay, so this is called as analog clock. And so what the clock tells us? Clock, what is this? Clock, a clock tells us time. I'll write the points here. A clock tells us the time, isn't it? So it tells the time in hours and minute. It tells the time in hours and minutes. So this is clock. The face of the clock is called, what is called? Dial. Okay, the face of the clock is called, the dial is marked with the numbers from 1 to 12. So it is marked from 1 to 12 in order, isn't it? So it is marked from 1 to 12 in order. So the clock has moving hands. So the clock has moving hands. The long hand shows the minute hand. The long hand shows minute hand, and the short hand shows the hours hand. Okay, shows hours. Okay, the short hand shows hours. Understood, children? This is called as a third hand. In some clock you can find this which moves very fast. Okay, which moves very fast, and this is called as second. Okay, it is called as seconds. It shows the seconds. It shows the seconds. This is called as a third hand. See, it keeps moving, right? It keeps moving. So this is called as seconds. It shows the seconds. The third hand shows the seconds. So this long hand moves fast and this short hand moves slow. Okay, it takes 5 minutes to move from one number to the next number. The minute hand takes 5 minutes to move from one number to the next number, and whereas the hard hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to the next number. Okay, understood, children? The short hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to the next number. Long hand or minute hand takes 5 minutes to move from one number to the next number. Right? A clock tells us what? The clock tells us time. Okay, a clock tells us what? A clock tells us time. It tells the time in hours and minutes. Okay, the clock tells the time in what? Hours and minute. Okay, a clock tells us time in hours and minute. Okay, the face of the clock is called what? Dial. So this face is called as what, children? Dial. Okay, so the face of the clock is called dial. The analog clock uses the moving hand. These are called as moving hands. The long hand to show the minutes. So this is called as a long hand which shows the minutes. Okay, long hand to show minutes. So this is the long hand which shows the minute, and the short hand to show hours. Okay, this is called a short hand. It shows what? Hours. And this is called as a third hand. So in some clocks we can find this third hand as it is here. So this moves fast and shows the seconds. So Third hand moves fast and shows the second. The two dots separates the hours and minute. See how we should write the time. See here, this is, for example, this is 5 o'clock, 5:30. It is 5:30. It is 5 hours 30 minutes. So the two dots separates the hours and minutes. So this is hours and this is minutes. Okay. So this is hours and this is minute. This is how we have to write the time. Okay. This is how we have to write the time. The minute hand moves faster. The minute hand takes 5 minutes to go from one number to the next number. So as I told you, this is called as minute hand. The minute hand takes 5 minutes to grow from one number to the next number, and it takes one full rotation, full round. It takes one full round to complete 1 hour. So the minute hand, if it goes from 12, once again when it comes to 12, it means what? It is 1 hour. Okay, it is 1 hour. It takes one full round to complete 1 hour. This minute hand, if it goes from 12 to the next 12, means it is 1. So the hour and takes 60 minutes. That is 1 hour to go from one number to the next number. So the short hand, if it has to come from one number to the next number, how long it takes? It takes 1 hour. So it takes 1 hour to go from one number to the next number. That is 60 minutes. That is 60 minutes. 60 minutes equals how much, children? 1 hour. Okay. So this is only the introduction part, children. So the next class after your FA only we will start. From Monday you will be getting the revision for your FA. Okay. So okay children, take care. Bye.